Today I'm going to show you how to make this logo shine effect in Premiere Pro. Begin by placing your logo on the timeline. Adjust its scale as desired. Right-click on the logo, then select Speed and Duration from the menu. Change the duration to 1 second. Then head to the Effects panel and grab the Lighting effect and the 3D effect. Drag them onto your logo or icon. Next, navigate to the Effects controls. Set the intensity to 100 under the Lighting section for that extra pop. Let's add a rectangular mask. Then drag the mask where you want the effect to begin. Stretch out the mask to cover the desired area for a seamless effect. Once done, head back to the Effects panel. Start by setting a keyframe at the beginning for both the mask and the swivel. Then, change the swivel to 10 degrees. Now, move the mask along and set another keyframe at the end. Don't forget to also set a keyframe for that swivel to -10 degrees. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.